Hello, my dear students. Have a great day to all of you. Myself, Mrs. Kavita Kanade from LVH College, Panchwati, Nasi, and this is our Oceans lecture. My dear students, we got the circular of Maharashtra government about the 25% syllabus is reduced. That means from every chapter there is some topics which are skipped. But this is the important chapter. That's why not a single topic is skipped from this chapter. That's why it is important to study all the functions of management carefully. We already studied the two functions of management in last lectures. Now, in this lecture, we will learn about the third function of management, and that is the so much important function of management, that is staffing. What is the meaning of staffing? Staffing is a process by which employees are recruited, developed, and remunerated so that the right persons are available for the right job at the right time. Effective staffing means the provision for appropriate human resources. Appropriate, that means the right person for the right job. It is totally related with the human resources. It is a fundamental requirement for success of any organization. It is the fundamental requirement. Fundamental, that means that it is the basic requirement for the every business organization, because if the organization have the efficient and effective staff, then the organization can easily achieve their targets and become successful. That's why it is important to have the efficient and effective staff, and it is possible only because of the effective staffing. Right man for the right job is the basic principle of staffing. In the MCQ type of questions in the board exam, always question arise that what is the basic principle of staffing? Then the answer is right man for the right job. You should remember it. There are various reasons for that the new staff is recruited or appointed, such as due to the promotion, business expansion, retirement, resignation, or the accidents or death of the employees. On such on such reasons, vacancies are created in the organization. At that time, staffing plays an important role in the organization. Now we will learn about the definitions. The first definition is given by the Theo Hyman. The staffing function pertains to the recruitment, selection, development, training, and compensation of subordinate managers. According to Theo Hyman, the staffing function pertains to. Pertains means related to. That means staffing function is related to the recruitment. Recruitment means appointment. To the recruitment, selection, then the development, training, and compensation. Compensation means salary, wages. When the workers are working in the organization, then they give service to us, and for that we pay them wages or salaries. That is called as a compensation. All these are covered in this definition. Then second definition is given by the Luther Gulick. Staffing is the whole personnel function of bringing in and training the staff and maintaining favorable conditions of work. That means it is a whole personnel function. Personnel, not the personal. Personnel is a collective noun. Personnel means group of persons or group of workers, employees. That means it is a staff, workers, or employees. Staffing is related to all the staff members, employees, or the workers that bring together and give them the training and maintain favorable working condition. This is defined in this definition by the Luther Gulick. Now we will learn the importance of staffing. First important is effective managerial function. It is the effective managerial function. It deals with the people who perform various activities in the different departments like production, marketing, finance, etc. That means there are various departments in the organization, and these departments are there are various people work in all these departments. That's why it is deal with all these departments and the people in that departments. It is the key to effective performance of other functions such as planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Staffing is concerned with the human resource and managing the same component. Workforce can work efficiently in different function areas like production, sales, finance, etc. Outcome of other functions is based upon the effectiveness of staffing. That means if there is a effective performance of the workers, then all the functions like planning, organizing, directing, and controlling are based upon that principle, that is staffing. The outcome of other function is based upon the effectiveness of staffing function. That means staffing plays an important role. When there is a proper staffing or proper employees are appointed in the organization, there is a effective management of all the functions. That's why it is important. Then the second importance is leads to effective utilization of human resources. Staffing function leads to effective utilization of human resources, that is workforce. Proper care is taken at every stage such as recruitment, selection, placement, remuneration, training development, etc. Optimum utilization of human resource results in improvement in performance and progress of organization. Staffing function leads to effective utilization of human resources. That means when it is totally depend upon the human resources, it is related staffing, it is related with the human resources. If the proper care is taken by the management, then the workers are motivated and then they do the effective and efficient work in the organization, and because of that the organization gets maximum profit. That's why it is important to select or to recruit the right person for the right job. Excessive burden of work is avoided. Optimum utilization results in progress of organization. Then the third importance of staffing is it builds cordial relationship. Staffing helps to improve communication and better coordination of managerial activities and or in an organization. This function is helpful in building healthy relationship among people at all levels. Healthy relations lead to more efficient, motivated, and productive employees, which further leads to increase in productivity of the organization. It is as simple as that. If you give the motivation to the employees, if you give the proper pay to the employees, then they will do the best performance, and because of that the production or the productivity of the organization automatically increase and it is beneficial for the organization. That's why staffing is builds cordial relationship between all the employees, between all the departments of the organization. Then fourth importance is it helps human resource development. Staffing helps in the development of human resource by giving them proper training. It helps to inculcate the organizational culture into employees. It trains and develops the existing workforce. It also ensures smooth functioning of all the managerial aspects of the business organization. That means staffing, we already know that the staffing is related with the human beings. It is related with the activities related to human resources. It helps to build human relations in the organization. As a result, there will be the proper coordination and communication, and because of that it helps to lead in the development of human resources. It helps in smooth functioning of all managerial aspects of the business organization. Staffing teaches discipline and ethical work culture to the employees. Now, fifth importance of staffing is it helps in effective use of technology and other resources. Trained employees can use the latest technology, capital, material, and methods effectively. If the employees give the proper training, then the employees can use the latest technology, capital, material, and methods effectively. It is also helpful in improving standard of work and productivity. It helps in building competitive strength of the organization. Staffing function helps in developing capacity among employees to meet the challenges of their job. That means if if the workers are properly trained, and if the proper training is given to them, then automatically their efficiency is increased, the confidence between them is boost, and because of that they can face any challenge in their job and accept. Because of the acceptance of the new challenges, the efficiency of the organization is improved and it is beneficial for the organization. Then the sixth importance is improves efficiency. Staffing helps in improving the organizational productivity by providing training and development programs for the employees. That means if the employees when the recruitment or the selection of employees is done, then the management give the proper training to them, and because of that they develop the confidence between among themselves. That's why it improves the efficiency of them. Wastages are reduced through proper training. Because they get the training, that's why there is a minimization of wastages. Through proper selection, the organization gets quality employees, and through proper training the performance level of the employees can be improved. Now the seventh importance is long term effect. Qualified, skilled, and efficient, well motivated staff is the strength of every organization. It is human resources is just like a wealth of the organization. That's why if the staff is qualified, efficient, well motivated, then it is a strength for every organization. Proper selection of employees leads the organization towards the path of success, and it is started from the selection of the employees. That means staffing function plays an important role, because all these selection process, then the recruitment process, then training process, all these process are covered in the staffing function. That's why when the selection is proper, that means if we choose the right person for the right job, then automatically the work is done by them is best. That's why it is proper selection of employees leads the organization towards the path of success. The long-term positive effects of the practice can be observed on the efficiency of the organization, because the staff, when there is a proper staff or efficient staff, then the staffing function has a long term effects. Proper selection of employees results in the long term positive effects in the organization. Because of them, the efficiency of the organization automatically increased. That's why it is important function. Then the eighth importance is essential contribution. The selection of the employees should be done after analyzing if they would be able to meet the challenges that the organization is going to face in future. That means according to the future situations create in the organization, the staff is selected by the staffing committee. That's why it is important to have the staff which is efficient and which is ready to accept the new challenges. Staffing ensures the continuity and growth of the organization through development of employees. Therefore, the contribution of the staff in their future roles is taken into account in staffing function. Staffing ensures the contributing and growth of the organization through development of employees. Selection is based on the ability of the prospective employees so that organization can face future challenges wisely. Therefore, the contribution of the staff in their future roles is taken into consideration in staffing function. You understand it? Now, the ninth importance is provides job satisfaction. Staffing helps in improving the efficiency of the employees and also keep their morale high. That means if when the staff are trained and motivated, then their efficiency improves. Employees can be motivated through financial and non-financial incentives. That means with the help of financial and non-financial incentives, we can motivate our employees. Adequate remuneration increases job satisfaction and morale of the employees. Employees get job satisfaction and they feel assured of their better career. If they are assured about their career, they have the guarantee about their job, then they will do the best performance in the organization. That's why it is so much important to have the job satisfaction within them. And the staffing function creates the good moral, or they because of that they get the more motivation and they do the best performance according to that. Training and development programs, fair remuneration, and job security are the factors which are important in providing job satisfaction. That means fair remuneration, that means the right salary or proper salary according to the work, according to the hours they work, according to the experience. The right remuneration should be paid to the employees. Job security, there should be job security to the employees. Because of that, they because if we give the job security or the fair remuneration, the proper incentives to them, then they have the belongingness towards the organization and they do the best performance. And because of that, the profit of the organization is increased. Then the 10th importance is it maintains harmony. Staffing helps in bringing peace and harmony in the organization by regularly appraising the performance of their employees and giving them promotion on merit basis. In staffing process, individuals are recruited, selected and placed. For this criteria is made and duly communicated to concerned employees. That means staffing is not just limited to recruitment. It is goes beyond that. It includes appraisal, promotions also, for which certain standards are set. The expectations of organization are informed to the employees. There is no confusion about it. It creates proper communication and maintains harmony in the organization. That's why staffing plays an important role in the organization. Let's have a quick, let's have a quick review of the today's lecture, importance of staffing. The first point, that is effective managerial function. Second, leads to effective utilization of human resources. Third is it builds cordial relationship. Fourth is human resource development. Fifth, effective use of technology and other resources. Sixth is improves efficiency. Seventh is long term effect. Eighth is essential contribution. Ninth is provides job satisfaction. And tenth importance of staffing is it maintains harmony in the organization. These are the 10 importance of staffing. I hope all you understand all the importance of staffing. Thank you for listening me carefully and watching attentively. Stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye.